French horn players, it's Mr. Brailsford here again. I hope you're all okay and that you are getting on well with your horns. I thought I would teach you another piece today and another high note. Okay, so first of all, remember buzz and the mouthpiece. Nice deep breath. Then play some long notes. Shall we go C, D, E, F, G? Then we can go G, A and B flat, which were the two new notes that we learned. So G first of all. Then A with fingers 1 and 2, bit higher. And then B flat, which is first finger, which is even higher. And remember, you're tightening your lips, you're speeding the air up to get to those higher notes. Now the note that I'm going to teach you today is what we call a high B natural. Okay, and you use your middle finger for the B natural. So the same finger as you'd play for your E, but a lot higher. So if I play G, A, and then B natural, not B flat, B flat's the first finger, B natural's the middle finger. G, A, B natural. A little bit higher. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the music up for an Easter song called Sing Hosanna, and that uses a high B natural. All right, in fact there are two high B naturals in it. I'm going to put that up first so you can see what it looks like, and then I'll take you through it. Okay, so see you in a minute. Okay, so you've had a chance to look at the music. I'm now going to play through Sing Hosanna. You'll notice that one of the notes at the end of the first line you can't quite see. That's a G, okay, first finger G. Just can't get it to fit on the screen for some reason, so there's the G. You'll also know that some of the notes have got little dots after them. They're dotted minims and they'll last for 3 beats. So here we go. I'll play you a bit of Sing Hosanna. First of all, I'll get up to my G. There's the G. So here's the tune. That's the first line. And the second line's virtually the same, except it ends on a C. Here's the second line. Okay, so that's quite a nice tune. Most of you will have sung that in school as well, so hopefully you'll know where you are with it. Remember, the high B natural, middle finger. Nice tight lips and fast air. And remember also that you've got to do your warming up before you play, or else you find the high B very tricky. Okay, well, nice to see you all again, French horn players, and hopefully we'll see you soon. Bye bye.